Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix App Store stuck on loading issue on your Apple device. So guys, if you're trying to open App Store but it is stuck on loading and you're unable to open App Store on your iPhone or other Apple device, here I will show you how can you fix this issue and how can you download and install apps using your App Store. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply drag down your control center and make sure that your internet connection is working properly. So guys, check your internet connection and try to use a strong internet connection on your device as well. So guys, if you are using a weak internet connection, then you have to simply switch to a strong internet connection, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go back and then open settings, and from here go to general section, and then you have to tap on software update, and from here you have to simply make it sure that you are using the updated version on your device. So guys, if there is any update available for you, simply update it, and after this go back, and from here you have to scroll it below and tap on iPhone storage and make sure that there is enough space in your device as well. If the storage is full, then you have to simply delete some useless data from your device. So guys, do this, and after this go back and then scroll it below and tap on date and time and set your date and time from here. Then go back and now tap on language and region, tap on region and select your country or region correctly, and then scroll it below, tap on VPN and device management and make sure that you are not using any VPN on your device, and then go back and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply sign out your Apple ID from your device for one time. So guys, for that open the settings again and then go to your profile, scroll it below and sign out your Apple ID from your device for one time as well. So guys, do this, and after this restart your device and then try to install apps using your App Store again. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply reset all settings of your device for one time. So guys, hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.